10 amazing life hacks that will blow your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly mind-blowing for you. We've put together a collection of the top 10 life hacks that are guaranteed to make your life easier and more efficient. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, master your mornings. We all know how important mornings are, right? Well, we've got some incredible hacks that will help you kickstart your day like never before. From a quick exercise routine to a time-saving breakfast hack, we've got you covered. Number 2, organize like a pro. Is your home cluttered and disorganized? Don't worry, we've got some genius organizing hacks that will transform your living space. Learn how to maximize your closet space, create a budget-friendly storage solution, and keep your belongings neat and tidy. Number 3, kitchen hacks that will change your life. Get ready to revolutionize your time in the kitchen with these incredible hacks. From a simple trick to peel garlic effortlessly to a clever way to keep your vegetables fresh for longer, your cooking experience will never be the same again. Number 4, tech hacks you wish you knew sooner. We live in a digital age, and technology plays a big role in our lives. But fear not, we're here to help you navigate the tech world with ease. Discover hidden smartphone features, learn how to speed up your computer, and protect your online privacy like a pro. Number 5, travel hacks for adventurers. Planning a trip? We've got your back with some amazing travel hacks. From packing your suitcase efficiently to finding the best deals on accommodations, these tips will make your journeys stress-free and memorable. Number 6, money-saving hacks that will amaze you. Who doesn't want to save some extra cash, right? We've got some incredible money-saving hacks that will make you wonder why you didn't think of them earlier. Learn how to cut down on your monthly expenses and make the most of your budget. Number 7, DIY hacks that anyone can do. Ready to unleash your creativity? These DIY hacks are perfect for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their living space. Number 8, fitness and health hacks for a better you. Taking care of your health is essential, and we've got some game-changing fitness and health hacks that will take your well-being to the next level. Discover quick workouts for busy schedules, easy healthy recipes, and self-care techniques for a happier you. Number 9, time-saving hacks for busy bees. We all wish we had more hours in a day, but until then, let's make the most of our time. These time-saving hacks will help you become more productive and efficient in your daily tasks. Say goodbye to wasting time and hello to accomplishing more. And there you have it, folks. 10 incredible life hacks that are sure to blow your mind. We hope you found these tips helpful and can't wait to hear about your experiences trying them out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an amazing life hack. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.